Hi there. Right, this is the Casio men's watch, and it is the Casio AE 1000W 1A2VEF. It's for the European market, as you can see from the EU on the box. Yeah, without further ado, let's get this box open so you can have a closer look. Alright, so yeah, that's the cardboard box that it comes in. Just a simple box. The instructions are just at the bottom, just accessible by lifting this side up here, and out comes the instructions. You just see them there. So I just move that box out of the way. Let's get that foam to one side. Right, let's show you what it looks like. So yeah, that's it there. If we can bring it right in, it does have the plastic film still on the face. I won't take it off, but I know it would look a lot shinier if I did take it off, but no, I will leave it on. It does have the tag still on, and that's the tag there. It's got the barcode and model number and the module number on there as well. So let's just undo this strap and let's bring it in again. That's it there. Try to get all the angles in if I can. To the side, from that side there. Let's bring it in a bit more closer if we can, without it going out of focus. Yeah, so that's it there. That's the strap. That's the clasp. That's the rear end of it. So yeah, it's got the Casio logo, model number, module number. It says it's water resistant and made in Thailand, according to the back of this one here. Yeah, so yeah, it's got a number of features on this one. It does have the world time on this, and stopwatch. It's got the LED light, alarms, countdown timer. I think I mentioned it's got a stopwatch, but I'll say it again if I didn't. And it does have a stopwatch on this as well. And yeah, it's water resistant to 10 bar, which is suitable for swimming and snorkeling. And yeah, quite a nice watch. It's got the resin strap and resin casing with the silver just around there. And it is available in, I believe, a couple of colours, a number of variations, i.e. I think this is available in a metal strap, stainless steel strap, I believe. I could be wrong. Yeah. Right, like I mentioned before, it does have a light, which, if I can show you in action, we'll just quickly turn the lights off and show you what it looks like in the dark. Right, it's not completely dark, as you can see, still plenty of light coming in, but there we go. So that's it there, with the orange backlight. Stays on for just less than a second, turns off. So So yeah, you can see all the face lighting up. Yeah, so we'll just turn the lights back on. And then we'll see if we can give you the dimensions on this one. So the dimensions on this one are from lug to lug. It is approximately 4.5 centimeters, I would say. Yeah, about 4.5 centimeters from this side to that side, roughly approximately 4.4 centimeters. And the depth on that one is approximately 1.1 centimeters. Yeah, so we will just bring it in again so you can have a closer look. And there we go, it's in action there. And let's give it one more rotation. And then we'll leave it at that. There's nothing else to say, to be honest with you. Right, that's it. Yeah, so if you like this video, please subscribe. If you don't like it, just mention it below why you don't like it. If there's anything I can improve on, please also mention it. And if you don't want to subscribe, it's not a problem, but it would be nice. It'd help me out. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.